Hello friends, how to create Instagram website. In this tutorial, how to design sign up and login account using HTML and CSS. Go to the text editor. Here file name is signup.php. Now add the basic structures of HTML. Here add meta tag for making responsible website, and then title name is Instagram sign up. Now go to the browser, save the file first, go to the browser, and then here title name is Instagram sign up. Now add the link, that is fontawesome.com, for adding some icons. Here go to the browser, that is fontawesome website. Here that is more icons available in this website. Now after the title, add the style tag for making design the Instagram website. Now inside the body tag, add the div. Here that is class name is Instagram container. Now making design, here first default setting, star inside flower bracket, margin 0, padding 0, and box sizing border box. Now design the class name of Instagram container. Dot means class. Inside the flower bracket, width is 100%, and then maximum width 350 px, and then margin auto, and height 200 px, background color yellow for testing purpose. Then save the file, refresh the browser, and here shows background color yellow. Now remove the height and background color. So inside the class name Instagram container, here create div, class name is Instagram logo. Inside that, using image tag, here that is inside file, open the file, that is icon folder. I already download some icons. Now select the Instagram name icon. Inside the image tag, that is source name, icon as Instagram name.png. Now design the class name Instagram logo. Here that is width is 100%, and then maximum width 200 px, margin auto. So here that is logo comes center of the Instagram container. Now design the Instagram logo inside image logo, image. Here that is width is 100%. Now save the file. First Instagram container, inside that border 1px, solid ccc. Now save the file, refresh the browser, and then browser shows Instagram logo. Here inside Instagram container, margin top 15px, and also Instagram logo inside that, right, margin top 10px. Now refresh the browser, and then container comes top of the 15px. Now after the class name Instagram logo, and then class name, another class name, div class name Instagram status. Here that is inside paragraph tag, sign up to see photos and videos. After that, one more paragraph tag from your friends. Now design Instagram status. So here font size 18px, text align center, and then color #AAA. Now refresh the browser. Here shows Instagram status. Now after that, below that, here div dot Instagram container inside. Now design the Instagram container inside. Here that is padding 25px. Now inside the div, class name Instagram container inside. Here that is using button tag. Now go to the browser, font Awesome website. Here copy the link, Facebook square icon. After that, write the tag login with Facebook. Here text is login with Facebook. Now design the Instagram content inside. Design the button. Here width is 100%, padding 8px, margin 8px, then border none, font size 12px, color white. Now save the file, refresh the browser. Here shows button. Now here background color #38970, that is Instagram color. Here that is border radius 5px. Now save the file, refresh the browser. Here shows the button inside the icon and text. After the button, here using h5 tag inside text or. Now design the Instagram container inside h5. Here color capital C0C0C0. text align center, and then refresh the browser. Here shows H5 tag design. Now below the H5, here using input tag, type is email, placeholder mobile number or email, that is text is mobile number or email. Below the input field, again input, here type is text, placeholder, text is full name. Below that, using input tag, type equal to text, here placeholder, username, text is username. Below that, one more input tag, here type equal to password, placeholder, password. Now save the file, refresh the browser. Now design the input fields. So here that is class name of Instagram container inside. Design the input. Here input, inside square bracket, type equal to email, and then comma, then copy again input. Here changes, type equal to text, comma, input type equal to password. Inside flower bracket, write width is 100%, padding 8px, margin 6px, and then display inline block, box sizing, border box, border 1px, solid, hash E9, 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 hash E9, 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 and then background color capital F0, 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 hash F0, 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 and then save the file, refresh the browser. And then font size 12px, and then border radius 4px, and then save the file, refresh the browser. Here that is design the all the input fields. Now below the input field, using button tag, here write text sign up. Below the button tag, here there is some Instagram terms. Here inside paragraph tags, by signing up you agree to our terms and policy cookies policy. Now refresh the browser. Here shows button, sign up button and Instagram terms. Now design the Instagram terms. Here copy the same Instagram status and paste below the input field. Here that is class name inside Instagram container inside. Design the P, that is paragraph tag. Here changes font size 16px. Now refresh the browser. Here shows Instagram some terms. Now below the Instagram container inside, here that is div, that is class name Instagram bottom container. Inside that using h4 tag, inside h4 tag, here that is text is have an account. Now save the file, refresh the browser. So here that is cut the div class name Instagram bottom container and paste below the Instagram container. Now inside the h4 tag, after the text, here that is using anchor tag, text is login. Now style the anchor tag. Here that is text decoration none, and then color, that is Instagram color. Color is #3897F0. Now design the class name Instagram bottom container. Now copy the Instagram container design. Here width is 100%, maximum width 350px, margin auto, border on px, solid hash margin top 15px. Paste inside Instagram bottom container. Now refresh the browser. Now design the Instagram bottom container, h4 tag, h4. Here there is margin top 20px and also margin bottom 20px. Save the file, refresh the browser. And also text align center. Here text comes center of the Instagram bottom container. Now that is sign up account is finished. Now design the login account. Now go to the file. Here file, create new file, save the file. File name is signin.php. Now copy the signup.php. Here that is everything is same, but changes some input field, text, logo, that is few changes in signin.php file. Here title is Instagram sign in. Title name is Instagram sign in. And then go to the signup.php. Here link inside anchor tag href. Here write signin.php. Now inside signin.php file, here anchor tag, that is text is signup.php. Now remove the input field, full name and username. Now refresh the browser. Here that is input field is type email placeholder, phone number, comma, username or email. Here that is I am already created Instagram sign up and login account. Here that is button name is login. The button text is login. And then go to the browser. Here click the link sign up and login account, that is sign in account. And also some changes, text is forgot password. Inside the signin.php, inside paragraph tag, that is text is forgot password. Remove the below that terms and cut the h5 tag, that is text is or. Paste below the button, that is login button, and also cut the button inside icons and text is login with Facebook. Now some changes in h5 color. Here color is #3897F0. Now design button. Here button color is changes to #3897F0, background color white. Now save the file, refresh the browser. Here that is login account shows. And also do some changes. Here that is login button is same. Now again changes. Now inside h4 tag, here that is text is don't have an account, and inside anchor tag write text is sign up. Now changes button color. Here that is color is white, background color #3897F0. Now inside the H4 tag, cut the button tag, paste inside the H5 tag. Now refresh the browser. Here link the sign up and login account. Now go to the text editor. Here remove the button tag. Now refresh the browser. Here go to the file signin.php. Here remove the Instagram status. And then save the file. And also give some spaces after the Facebook square icon, and also inside H4 tag give some space. Now refresh the browser. Link the sign up and login account. Now go to the text editor. Now inside the Instagram container, inside H5 tag design, here margin bottom 5px. Now save the file signin.php. Refresh the browser. So better to changes margin bottom, $10px, margin top 10px. Now save the file signin.php. Now refresh the browser. Here shows login with Facebook some space. Now link the account, sign up and login account. And also go to signup.php file, give some space, have an account, and then refresh the browser. Here the link login and sign up account. Now design that is login and sign up button. Here make cursor pointer inside the Instagram container, inside button. Here cursor pointer, and also go to the signin.php file. Here also that is cursor pointer. Now save the file and then refresh the browser. Here finish the Instagram sign up and sign in design. Please subscribe my channel Subbu Tutorial. Thank you for watching this tutorial.